In the turbulent year of 1971, a group of young French doctors and journalists gathered in Paris with a revolutionary idea. They sought to address a fundamental flaw in the medical world: the indifference of governments and organizations to the plight of those suffering in war-torn regions. Bernard Kouchner, a French physician and politician, led the charge, inspired by his experiences in Vietnam and Biafran crises. He and his colleagues, driven by a deep sense of empathy and a desire to help, envisioned a new kind of humanitarian organization. Their dream was to create an independent, neutral medical service, providing aid to those in need without discrimination or political bias. This concept was a radical departure from traditional relief efforts, which were often hindered by political and ideological agendas. The group faced many challenges in their quest. Skepticism from the medical community, lack of funding, and the complexities of operating in conflict zones threatened to derail their ambitious plan. However, the group persevered, spurred on by the memory of the countless lives lost in the name of politics. On March 4, 1971, they officially established Médecins Sans Frontières, Doctors Without Borders, in Paris. Their first mission was to the Biafran civil war in Nigeria. Despite the dangers, the team braved the war-torn landscape, providing medical care to the suffering population. Their actions served as a beacon of hope in a region devastated by conflict. Their work did not go unnoticed. The public was inspired by the doctors' selfless dedication, and their actions sparked a global movement. Soon, chapters of Doctors Without Borders sprang up in countries across the world, united by a common purpose: to bring medical aid to those most in need, regardless of their nationality, race, religion, or political affiliation. The organization's impact was profound. In the decades that followed, Doctors Without Borders provided aid to millions, saving countless lives and bringing hope to the hopeless. They stood as a testament to the power of compassion and humanitarianism in the face of crisis. Today, Doctors Without Borders continues to operate in some of the world's most dangerous and challenging environments. Their unwavering commitment to their mission serves as a reminder of the power of humanity to rise above adversity and provide aid to those in need, no matter the cost.